Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm gonna do a quick review on this awesome soap dispenser. If you wanna check this awesome product out, I'll leave the link down in the description below for you. I grabbed this one for around $15 and it's awesome because it comes with two different options. But basically I'm gonna replace this old system where I always have to keep replacing this tiny little soap container and keep refilling it with this one. So the goal is I'm going to install this right over here in this left-hand corner here, somewhere around there. Obviously I have to drill a hole first. I'm gonna walk you through all the steps that it takes to get this thing installed. So you can either use this bottle that it comes with, and you would actually just connect this into this bottle right here, just like that. But I'm going to actually feed this piece with this top part right here into this larger container. So this will go on here, and then the hose will feed down in there, and the pump will be right over there. All right, so I used the masking tape and the Sharpie to kind of mark off exactly where I want this soap dispenser to be at. And I used the back of this mounting cap right here. Usually goes right over here, but I turned it upside down, and this gives you kind of an idea of exactly where you're going to be placing your soap dispenser. All right, so what I have here is a 1-inch hole saw connected to a 20-volt DeWalt impact driver. And the goal is you want to have your hole saw a lot larger, or a little bit larger than the actual base of the soap dispenser, so it'll be able to go through it. If you'd like to make the hole saw drilling process a lot easier, I highly recommend that you just pre-drill a hole into the center of your cut. So in this project here, I'm using a 1-inch hole saw, and you can actually use up to a 1.5-inch hole saw. But I really like pre-drilling the hole because it makes it a lot easier to center your hole saw in place so you don't have any slippage. It only takes a few seconds to get the job done. You just press down firmly and it's done in no time. Alright, hole is drilled, and now we're going to unscrew the bottom of this piece here and take off the first gasket, which I've already done. So you just want to leave this top one here, and then you're going to use this one because you're going to go underneath the sink, and you're going to slide this through the actual hose like this, and then this piece goes up here, and you're going to slide it up and meet it up back over here to keep it mounted, and you're going to just tighten it down nice and snug. Go ahead and feed this in here. It just goes right inside here, and it doesn't really matter where you have this pointed because it actually swivels around. So now we're just gonna go underneath there and use this washer and the locking nut and tighten it up from underneath. All right, let me show you what it looks like in here real quick. Already tightened down that nut with the washer above it. This is actually gonna go on top of here. And if you have too much gap in here, you can also use a rubber band to tighten up the seal like this. You're gonna take this, feed it through here. Just like that. And then you want to drop it down to where this bottom piece can siphon out the soap on the bottom. So I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it. Probably drop it down a little bit more. That should be perfect. Let's see how that works there. Yep, that's on the bottom. All right, so push that down in there, and all you have to do is just give it a few pumps and you'll start to see it go up. Let me show you really quick. I'm gonna pump this up a few times and you'll see it start to climb up. There it goes. It does take a few little pumps to get it started, and it's probably gonna start to come out over here now. So let me get back up on top of here. And let's give it a few more pumps. Oops, it already came out. And that's how that works. All right, 10 minutes later, everything's all done. Really easy to install. Obviously, if you had your own hole in there, it'd be really easy just to stick it in there and screw it on tight. But most of the work was really just trying to drill the little hole, which was 1 inch with a 1-inch hole saw, and then trying to feed everything down. But after everything is all done, it's really simple. I have mine connected right over here to this big old bottle of Ajax dishwashing soap, and it goes straight up there and to the top right there. And then this is what it looks like. You can swivel this thing all the way around, and you can just push it lightly, or you can push it down all the way out, which it really squirts out a bunch of soap out of there. But I really like it because it doesn't leave any kind of mess whenever you squirt it out. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye, little small container that I have to refill almost every 2 weeks or so. And hello, several months of soap usage with this big container. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.